Good morning. Back again with another installment of the Sanibel Mile Marker series, where we are highlighting the beach mile markers from 0 to 7 in half-mile increments. Mile marker 0 is down at the lighthouse. In this section, we will take you on a virtual tour of mile markers 5 to 5.5. The magnificent accommodations in this stretch sit along West Gulf Drive, so let's go. Sandpiper West is home to mile marker 5. This lovely 3-story building has 6 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominiums. There is a swimming pool, private cabana, and tennis courts. Travelling to the west, we find the wonderful Whitecap South. There are 9 units total, comprising of 8 single-bedroom units and a 3-bedroom cottage. You will find screened porches and barbecue grills. The red-top buildings are villas of Sanibel. There are 12 superb 3-bedroom units with a swimming pool, tennis courts, and a barbecue area. Next in line is the fantastic atrium. This 3-story building contains 24 2- and 3-bedroom units. Amenities include a heated swimming pool and tennis courts. Following along is Hurricane House. This beautiful resort has 15 2-bedroom units. There is a heated pool, hot tub, and use of the nearby Dunes Golf and Tennis Club. After Hurricane House is Blue Gulf Condominium. This intimate complex has 5 units. Sanibel Sunset is the next building. There are 6 terrific condos with a pool and tennis courts. The pink building is home to Royal Turn. This splendid complex has 6 3-bedroom units, a pool, spa, and tennis courts. And here you are looking at the wonderful West Shore. There is a swimming pool and each unit has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Junonia of Sanibel. I wonder if this is where you find the elusive Junonia shell. Anyway, there are 8 Gulffront 2-bedroom units with a small pool and on-site tennis courts. The sensational Sunwood of Sanibel is next in line. This 3-story building has 8 units and a heated pool and tennis courts. Janthina is the delightful complex you see next. There are 7 2-bath condos, a swimming pool and tennis courts. Coming into view next is the charming Waterside Inn on the beach. There are 1-bed efficiencies and waterfront cottages, as well as a heated pool, shuffleboard, and gas barbecue grills. Tantara is the red-roofed 3-story building. This outstanding complex has 8 2- and 3-bedroom units. There is a roof sundeck, heated pool, and jacuzzi. The tremendous Sandy Bend is next. In addition to tennis courts and gas grills, there are 8 2-bed, 2-bath condos and a 2-story, 4-bed, 3-bath cottage. And here we are at mile marker 5.5 that sits beachfront of Sayana of Sanibel. This delightful complex has 9 2-bed, 2-bath condos. There is a swimming pool, tennis courts, fitness room, and shuffleboard. Lots of smaller, quaint complexes in this stretch of the beach. All of them magnificent in their own right. Come and check them out. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to click on that bell icon to be notified of new releases. Thanks again. See you on the next one.